Okay guys, to embed a YouTube video on Blackboard is actually pretty easy. Um, I've already got this typed out, and so I'm just going to put some X's here, and I'm going to come over to YouTube and pull up the ad that you want or the video that you want. And if you go here to share, you're going to click on embed. And you make sure it says start at 0, or just don't click that. You're going to click copy, and it's going to copy all this HTML code. And then you come back over to Blackboard, and you're going to click right here where it says HTML, and where I have these X's, I'm going to highlight it, and I'm going to do Control V as in Victor to paste the code from YouTube. I'm going to click update, and then when I come to it, it's going to look like that, but it is actually there. And so when you submit it, it should show up and you should be able to view it. So hopefully that'll work for you. If you run into any problems, just let me know and we'll see if we can't figure it out.